I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find what I give you what you need. I know what you like.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Daria Lashae. For those of you that are new, if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to the channel. Glad to see you here. As y'all can see by the title, I'm doing a maintenance vlog. I'm going on a girls trip literally like next week, or like less than a week. Today is Saturday and I'm going on Wednesday, so less than a week away. Now I'm just about to wash my hair so that I can braid it. I'm gonna show y'all a little inspo pic for I think what I'm going for to do my hair. This is basically the first part of the maintenance vlog. I'm gonna be getting my nails done. I'm gonna be hopefully getting my eyebrows waxed and then dyeing them black. See y'all in the next clip.
Go to lunch in the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros with immunity. Can't beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now let out do me. I got hoes by the group tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work, as in order. This shit ain't got serious, the meetings come plural. I'm living by morals, we swiping and keeping no word. This floor, I'm young and I'm turned, I got bitches galore. My baby mom will cost 250, I'm splurging. Got 5 million cash just in case it get merged. My young niggas.
What's up, you guys? It is Monday, March 13th. I think this is a day later, I believe, and we are continuing with the maintenance vlog. So I tried to get footage of me getting my eyebrows waxed. I just got back, and yes, y'all, my eyebrows are so thin. It's crazy, but the light is kind of bright. Let me see if I can turn it down. My eyebrows are very thin and light. I really got little to no footage in there. The footage that I got, the girl was literally blocking her butt on the camera, and I didn't even realize it. So I'm kind of salty about that, but it is what it is, and it is what it is, you know. So yeah, I'm about to dye my eyebrows. So I use this Just for Men hair dye. I've done this multiple times on my channel before, but you just mix this together and dye your eyebrows. That's it, that's all. And yeah, I'm about to do that real quick.
We spend cash for entertainment. There's more where that came from, that's all I'm saying. It's me and you, we making arrangements. It's you and me and we making arrangements.
Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here from smoking on this weed. Told him go take a shot on 3.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas cross the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead. Thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to say. I got Lil Max with me, he the way. It's a big gap between us and the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the. When I die, put my money in the.
Me, leave all of your things, yeah. You can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for the Paris.
I'm about to pack my bag. Here is my little luggage that I'll be bringing with me, and then I got like my clothes all folded, and this is the stuff that I'm gonna be bringing with me. So yeah, I'm about to pack my bag. We leave well, not tomorrow, but I am spending the night over my friend's house that we're going there with tomorrow night. So I basically have to pack all of my stuff for tonight, because I'll spend the night and then we leave on Wednesday. So yeah, I'm about to pack up my bag, and that's that.
Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Hey, yo, talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peep, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG. No care. Do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
10 bad bitches in a match. Rich on Millie, rock them diamonds on me dance. When you working hard and your money start expanding. I got model bitches wanna lick me like some candy. And them drugs come in handy. Last name Savage, bitch, but no, I'm not Randy. Hit her with no condom, had to make her eat a Plan B. And I'm sipping on that codeine, not brandy. I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Hold up.